A lot of times when people pull the engines out of these cars, they end up breaking this plastic plug piece that's on the side of the master cylinder. And I've never replaced one before. I've definitely broken them before in the past on friends' cars, but this is the new piece, and I was actually surprised how easy it was to put it in. You see those two little pegs on the end, they squeeze together and the whole thing just slides out. I had this one zip tied and RTV'd in place for the time being, but here's the new piece, and here's the old one when it's removed, and it's just as easy as sliding the one out and clicking the new one in when you slide it in. So I thought that was a pretty simple install. Just make sure the connector is pointed in the right direction, and then those two ends just click in right there. And so I thought that was pretty cool because I've seen so many of these broken off over the years, and maybe sometimes they still work and everything, but it was actually a pretty simple fix. And this was already broken when this car came to us and when we were working on it, but we just decided to go ahead and fix it. And I think we were even going to order a new reservoir for it, but it didn't need it in this case, and so that just clicks on and everything's better. And the harness is always kind of smashed like that, so you have to be careful, make sure the wires aren't screwed up or broken. But anyway, we'll have a start up and check, make sure there's no drips or leaking. All right, it looks pretty good. You can see where it was moist a little bit before, and there's a little bit of RTV on the connector left over, but other than that, it's in good shape. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.